Alright, so we are doing an unboxing for the iPad Air 2020. We just got it in the mail, and we will see what's inside. Well, actually, that's the accessory stuff. That's the Magic Keyboard. Perfect. Let's see. Alright, cool. And then we got the Magic... Oh, no, actually, this is just a screen protector we got for the iPad. And our Magic Pencil, or the Pencil, Apple Pencil 2. I can't wait to try. Alright. We will get back to that in a moment. That's tiny. I thought the bigger one was the tablet. Alright, cool. Yay, there it is. Perfect. The new iPad Air. Alright. This is the 10.9 model. 64 gigs. And it has a brand new USB-C port. Alright, we'll go ahead and open it up and see what's inside.
That's your job.
I have my lovely assistant sister here opening up my stuff. Just don't break it. Airtight in there. There it is. Perfect. Wow. Very nice. And this is supposed to be the sky blue. A very, very light pastel color. That's nice.
It's a nice color.
Very nice color. Wow. It's gonna be inside the case anyway. Alright, so there it goes. Comes with the usual stickers and instructions. Good. Okay. And we have our brand new 20 watts box charger. Can't tell very well right there. And our USB-C plug that we can use for different external drives and stuff like that. Alright. I will do another video shortly with the stuff inside the iPad.